We talked to people from Millvale to Monongahela, and they all have the same concern. They're waiting for mail to be delivered to their homes. In the meantime, they've been in and out of this post office. Plows are still scraping streets in Millvale days after the big storm. And people who live in Millvale, Monongahela, and everywhere in between are still waiting for mail to be delivered to their homes.
You worry about maybe getting bills. I don't know if I should go to the post office or what.
People are heading to post offices to get what they need done. There was a steady stream at this one in Millvale.
I worry about credit cards and getting those late fees. My mom and I were just talking about that. I don't know if they're coming around to the little boxes, so I thought I'm going right to the post office.
We noticed mail carriers going from house to house, so deliveries are being made to homes. But the U.S. Postal Service is asking others to be patient.
I own a business and we've been closed for a few days, so I wasn't expecting anything those days. I don't think we've received anything since, but you know, when you got a mess like this, who knows what's going to happen.
The Postal Service says their goal is to deliver the mail, but safety remains their top priority. They say Pittsburgh and surrounding areas and Washington County continues to recover from the storm, and carriers will do what they can where it is safe. Businesses like the Attic Record Store say they are taking advantage of completing tasks online.
Most of our bills have been paid digitally for years. Up until maybe about a year ago, we still wrote out some checks, I mean, maybe about a year ago, I would probably write about 100 checks a month. Now I write on an average of about 3 checks a month.
Now the U.S. Postal Service is asking people to clear a pathway on their sidewalk and their front porch to make it easier for mail carriers. Covering Allegheny County in Millvale, Chandy Chapman, Pittsburgh's Action News.